have me by your side when the...
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm Hadiza. I'm a Nigeria-based content creator. I create content about my lifestyle, wellness, vlogs, and also fashion. So please do well to stick around by subscribing to the channel and also to my MVPs. You guys are so much most appreciated. Like I so much appreciate you guys. You guys should know now. You guys are my MVPs. You guys come to watch my videos every time I upload a video. I'm not taking it for granted. I love you guys so much because I see you guys. I love you guys actually. So today is going to be a vlog, a Sunday vlog. I think I have never done a Sunday vlog before. Today is going to be a Sunday vlog. We are going to our headquarter. That's Glory Dome. Yeah, I think this is the second time, big tech time I'm going to the Glory Dome. Yeah, so I'm so excited about it. So we are driving a private car. Yes, there was a bus provided for the church. I think 15 because that bus was provided for the church. So, but we're not going with bus. We're driving our own car. So basically, I just woke up from bed and I've dressed all my things I'm going to wear today. And I'm about to go and have my shower because I think I'm running late right now. One thing is that my head is old. I don't even know how to style it. I'm wearing these two pieces. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen it before, but I'm wearing these two pieces, like short hand shirts. And this is trouser. This is a trouser, guys. A long trouser. So that's what I'm going to be wearing. And I'm wearing this white shoe, like a white shoe. So that's my outfit. I don't know how it's going to turn out because I've never dressed it before. It's going to be my first time. Hopefully it turns out fine. But if it doesn't, I don't have a plan B. Like I don't have a plan B. I don't know what to do. I don't have a plan B. But I think this intro is becoming too long. So let me just go and just dress up basically. Everything I have to do I already set. Just want to go and bathe and then just prepare because service is by 7 o'clock. Like we're supposed to leave the house by 7, and this is what's the time, guys? You guys can see the time. This is I think almost 6 o'clock, like 2 minutes to 6. So yeah, let me just go and prepare. See you guys when I'm done bathing or when I'm preparing. Anyways, I'll see you guys. Yeah. Every face, like you guys should just don't even look at this side. Don't even look at this side. Don't look at this side. So I'm done with my face. This is my makeup. A very light makeup at that. So this is my makeup. I just tried. I'm already on my way heading to my sister's house. My sister's house is not quite far from my own house. So I'm heading to my sister's house because you're driving. So we're going together. You guys can't see my complete outfit. Like you guys can't see the complete outfit, but I'm going to try to show you guys. Maybe if I see somebody that can hold the camera for me so that you guys will see the complete outfit. Like in my head it's fine, but on the other hand I just feel my uncle is going to talk because whenever I don't dress well, like he gets to talk, I'm like, okay, Favor, this is not it. Like, Favor, this is not it. So I just hope he doesn't say anything. I'm just seeing this dress that I did. I just hope he doesn't say anything. And I hope that the dressing is actually giving the way I think it's giving in my head. So that's the update. Maybe see you guys when I get to my sister's house or when I finally get to the church. I'm going to show you guys. So yeah, bye guys. But I just feel my makeup is fine. Hey Jesus. Well, yeah. So guys, I got my sister's house. I couldn't film anything because we're already late. So yeah, we just had to just head up and start going to the church. So you guys can see we're already at the church. You guys can see the church from afar. The church is so big and so fine. I love the color. The yellow is giving. It's giving. Yeah.
woman came out and warned the young man and said, you know what? They are either carrying you out of this place in a coffin or carrying you out of here mad. Last is the son of a lion afraid of a barking dog. When last is the son of a lion afraid of a barking dog.
So guys, at this point we're already in church. I was already feeling myself because we came very early. Service was for 9 a.m. and we got to church and service has not even started safe. Like I'm like, okay, so at this point my sister was like, her friend saw me on YouTube. Am I a YouTuber? I was not like, yeah, I was not feeling. So guys, I was just feeling myself, and then I told that she should come and join. Let me film her. As a YouTuber, that feeling. But guys, for the first time, I was not shy. Like I was not shy. Like there was this boldness and confidence I just had. Oh my god, I was just feeling myself. I'm no longer shy again. I'm not a baby YouTuber again. So we already inside the auditorium. You guys can see the way I was walking majestically and my cute outfit. Like my outfit was giving. You guys rate my outfit in the comment section. Like I saw this outfit myself. I told you guys I'm a fashion designer. Just that I don't get time to sew. Okay, guys. At this point, service has finished. We're already heading back home. Yes. So nothing much, just took some pictures and then that was just it. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.